making our way now to our cabin on deck 8, 8756.
Okay, so inside the cabin, wardrobes, sliding doors, plenty of storage space, plenty of hangers, the usual laundry service bags with prices on, life belts are up on the top, there's 4. On the far side of the wardrobe you've got your complimentary robes and slippers, and then on this, always remember watch the step because it's quite a big step into the bathroom. So you've got your complimentary Clarins, body lotion, shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, etc.
Also you've got plenty of storage, a few drawers. Let's have a look what this is. Oh, that's alright.
And the good thing is we have a bath and a shower with a shower screen.
Very nice.
Okay, so on the way out again, a small dressing mirror with 3 drawers, big queen size bed, plenty of drawers either side, USB ports, charging your phones, etc. Your towels, a guide to life on board, cruise news which gets delivered daily depending on where you stop, a little welcome letter which tells you things like if you're poorly and what you should do. And as we've got a junior suite cabin, this tells us that we have a premier service, so tonight we can give 3 items of clothing per person to be ironed and returned, and we get a choice of pillows, 2 firm or 2 soft, and also we get a continental breakfast 1 day in the week. Menu is on the back, tea, coffee, juices, croissants, etc.
Very nice.
There is the tag for a complimentary service for ironing. So as you can see, you've got that with your sofa bed, another guest stay in.
Plenty of drawers at the side.
2 chairs.
TV.
In here is safe. Plus more storage.
Which is free.
3 drawers either side. Hairdryer. 1.5 litres of water every day complimentary. Tea, coffee, and also in this room we have a Lavazza coffee machine.
That's nice.
Oh yeah, and that's even more. Put your aftershave, perfume, etc. Thermostat.
That's good.
And your contact numbers for your phone. And then if you turn around and go out onto our balcony.
A balcony. Table. 2 chairs.
We've even got
2 sun lounges. And there's Palmer in the background.